Magdeburg Hauptbahnhof. And there is the cathedral, the cross on one and not on the other. It's Monday, October 27, and that's the hotel where patients and I stayed for 3 days, right next to the train station. So it took me 5 minutes to close the door on the room and arrive at the train station. And there are a whole lot of trains coming. My train arrives in 17 minutes. Gorgeous fall day. And here, just to give you an idea. Now, during my trip, I was really more interested in the scientific endeavors and the history, and I didn't cross the railway line. It looks like across the railway lines there's a lot of industries going on. That's an interesting tent.
Information zu RE13 von Leipzig Hauptbahnhof. Ankunft 8:53 Uhr. Heute circa 10 Minuten später und von Gleis 8. Ich wiederhole. RE13 von Leipzig Hauptbahnhof. Ankunft 8:53 Uhr. Heute von Gleis 8. Grund dafür ist eine Verspätung eines vorausfahrenden Zuges. Meine Damen und Herren, zur Verbesserung der Sauberkeit und aus Rücksichtnahme auf Nichtraucher ist das Rauchen im Bahnhof nur in den gekennzeichneten Raucherbereichen gestattet. Vielen Dank.
Typical German city train station. Clean, clear instructions, trains that work. Look, there's even flowers here. I can imagine how gorgeous this, and that is the Intercity, which is the expensive train. So you can catch the RE, the regional train, which if you have a German card, you cost nothing. For me it was 30 euros to get from here to Dresden. If I wanted to catch this train, it would have cost close to 90 euros. So there's a big difference. So you can travel like a peasant, pay hardly anything in a very nice, clean, comfortable train. Or you can travel by yourself where you don't run into anyone willing to pay huge amounts of money. That's democracy in action. Paying less doesn't mean being abused. Paying less just means you take longer to get where you're going. October 27, 2025, Magdeburg Station.